Okay. Welcome to another edition of Hack and Slash TV. Today we'll be reviewing the Microsoft wireless steering wheel for the Xbox 360. Now, if you notice, this is how the wireless steering wheel looks like. It does have most of the controls of the regular wireless steering wheel, including all of the buttons, including the analog, the 8-way D-pad, and the bump buttons right here at the back. So it's like any regular steering wheel, only that it's almost wireless. I say almost wireless because it still has to get power from an external output. But then you only need to switch on the wireless steering wheel, and it automatically activates through the Xbox console. Now, how does it play? You think that the controls are fine? We'll try that in the game Project Gotham 3, which actually comes in the box of the steering wheel. How does it feel? If people are asking how this controller feels, it feels quite right. It's like playing in an arcade station. You have the steering wheel, has a rubber grip, so it feels just like a regular a real car steering wheel. It has two pedals, the accelerator button, pedal, and the brake pedal. So it's quite a treat to play with. And if you notice, it doesn't come with a stick shift. Instead, it comes with a paddle shift right here. This is a European paddle shift used mostly by rally racers and also the Formula One cars. So it doesn't necessarily have to have a stick shift like in some steering wheel, because you don't have to let go of the steering wheel while playing with it. All right. So is it worth the money? By the way, this is worth 7,000 pesos. That's about $150 US. And if I were to be asked, it plays well with Project Gotham Race. Only that it's the only game that fully utilizes the controller. You have to wait for the next game, Forza 2, since it's not per se that the other game that was developed along with its wireless steering wheel. So if I were you, might as well wait until May when Forza 2 is released. I guess that's it. Thank you so much, and this is Alex Villafania for Hack and Slash TV.